Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are sharing with you how to recover deleted or lost contacts from Android device without root. So keep watching till the end and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and thumbs up like button. I accidentally deleted all my contacts and this method has given them all back to me. It worked and it is one of the most useful method for recover deleted contacts from Android device. This method can recover contacts from all your deleted contacts. Now I will deleted all my contacts. You can see here my 53 contacts, so I will deleted all contacts. Mark all contacts and delete it. You can see no contacts in my contact list. Now I will recover my deleted contacts. So go to Play Store for install deleted contacts application. Search in here deleted contacts. Deleted contacts. Now you can see this application. Install this application. I have already downloaded it, so I am clicking on the open button. Now opening deleted contacts application. After opening, you can see this interface. Click on the deleted option. In here you can see a few deleted contacts. Click on the three dot icon at the top right corner. Tap on the restore all option. Wait few minutes for recovering. I have successfully recovered all my contacts. Let's check it. Contacts. Now you can see all my deleted contacts back in several minutes. I think this is very useful application for recovered deleted contacts. So I hope you enjoyed this simple video. Share this video with your friends who want to know how to recover deleted or lost contact from Android device without root. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel for more Android tutorials and thumbs up like button.